Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at this cue card. Describe a story that was interesting to you. You should say what the story it was, where you came to know about it, when you read it, and explain how you felt about it. So before we begin, we are going to look at some of the words that we will be using in this cue card. So first word is novice. Novice means beginner. Next is naive. Naive means beginner. In Punjabi, this word means ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਕਿਸੇ ਕਿੱਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਵਾਂ ਹੋਵੇ ਔਰ ਉਸ ਕੋਲ ਅਨੁਭਵ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ then ਆਪਾਂ ਉਸ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਈਵ ਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ and novice ਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Next is veteran. Veteran means a person who had long experience in his field. Next is toxic people. It means people whose behavior adds negativity and upset to your life. Next is look down upon. It is a phrase which means to treat someone or something as unimportant. In Punjabi, this phrase means ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਸਮਝੇ then ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਫਰੇਜ਼ ਦਾ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. For example, some rich people look down upon poor people. In Punjabi, this phrase means ਕਿ ਕੁਝ ਅਮੀਰ ਲੋਕ ਗਰੀਬ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਆ. Next word is relentlessly. It means continuously. So before I begin, I want to make a request that please watch this video till end before forming any opinion. So without wasting time, let's begin. I read and heard many stories when I was in school, but here I would like to talk about a story which I find not only interesting but also motivating. It is about hare and tortoise. There is hardly anyone who did not read this story in school. I also read this story when I was in third standard. In this story, Hare was proud of his speed and he challenged Tortoise to have a race with him. Tortoise agreed. When the race started, the hare soon left the tortoise behind. Since he was confident of winning, he decided to take a nap midway. On the other hand, Tortoise kept moving slowly but continuously, and he won the race. The moral of the story was slow and steady wins the race. At that time, I did not understand the true meaning of this story. It took me several years to understand the lesson given by this story. This story gives me a meaningful lesson that a person should never give up. When a person starts anything, he is novice. People make fun of an individual, pass negative comments, and try to become a stumbling block in his way. People who are veteran look down upon people who are naive. But a person must move on like a tortoise by ignoring toxic people. Apart from this, life is also like a race of hare and tortoise. People who work relentlessly are those who get success in life. There are various people who are hardworking, intelligent, and expert in their field. However, all do not get success despite having all qualities, as people do not work continuously. They give up when they face obstacles. This story teaches us a lesson that determination, belief, and persistence help a person to achieve goals. That is why I find this story interesting. So that's it for this session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.